Hello, it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Now, pop-up tableware and homewares have become really popular in the camping and caravan and motorhome market, and Fozzils are no different. They've made us some lovely colanders. They made a real effort with the packaging too. There's even a QR code that takes you to their website, tells you all about it. This is a colander, folds completely flat, pops up. Listen to what they tell you about it. They say it's convenient, quick and easy, collapsible, durable and large, just like me. Let's have a look. Pops up. Look at that. Brilliant. The little cousin, same again. Easy. They're dishwasher safe, BPA free, really light, really easy to use. They actually feel really good. Fold flat, straight in the drawer. Well done, Fozzils. We love them.